from Aldi's 2 loaves of split top wheat bread, 6 cans of red kidney beans, 2 gallons of 2% milk. The Aldi specialty aisle actually had some new paper goods for Thanksgiving, and I was really shocked to see that because sometimes it's on the beginning of the year and then they don't restock them, but apparently they've learned that people buy them pretty quickly beginning of the year and that people will still need them like right at Thanksgiving because they restock. So I picked up 2 packs of the paper plates with the fall the antique truck on it. I don't know what else to call it. One of these is going to be, say, for at home Thanksgiving. We're going to be traveling for Thanksgiving this year. We're going to have like a mini Thanksgiving at home. So I'm going to save one for that just because I want to. And then we're going to have one that I'm going to have for extra for if we have any like finger food functions and stuff that come up in between now and then. I also picked up 1 pack of the napkins with the antique trucks on it. And then I picked up one with the maroon colored, I think, yeah, it's maroon, and the fall leafage on it. And also in the specialty section, they had like, if you don't have table runners, they had table runners. They had tablecloths or just the runners. Fabric napkins, that's what it was. They had table runners, fabric napkins, and these 4-piece acacia napkin rings. So we were recently at the family member's house we're going to be hosting with, and she found that she could not find more than 4 of her sets of rings, and just for funsies, we wanted to do like fabric napkins, let the kids play with the fabric napkins this year and the fabric folding styles, things like that. But she didn't have more than 4 rings, and we have like 9 to 10 people coming. So what we did was, we saw these at Aldi's, I just had to go ahead and grab them. So I went ahead and grabbed an 8-piece set for Thanksgiving. 1 chocolate cream pie for dessert at home tonight. These are pumpkin cheese, or these are cheesecakes that I have specifically been looking for Matt for Thanksgiving. Matt will eat pumpkin pie once, but he's not a huge pumpkin pie fan. But he loves pumpkin cheesecake. So we found these. Last year we got the, I don't remember, I think it was Marie Callender. I don't know. One of those other brands that does like cold pies frozen year round. But we didn't find that one, and we didn't find the caramel apple one that he wanted either. But all these today had the whipped cheesecake pumpkin spice and the whipped cheesecake caramel apple, and both of these just look really good. So I'm really looking forward to doing these for our at-home Thanksgiving. And then I also bought an extra, we're going to take the first seasonal cheesecake sampler to our family's house that we're traveling to for Thanksgiving, but this one's going to stay at home with us. It has the pumpkin swirl, the tuxedo, which is this one with the chocolate and New York cheesecake swirled together, the pecan pie one, and the New York style one. Also, we have 2 bags of the figs. The figs are something that they only know. They used to carry the figs year round, but now they only carry them at the holidays whenever they're selling more charcuterie board items and things. So I went ahead and did go ahead and pick up 2 bags. That way we can have one for charcuterie over Thanksgiving weekend, and then we can have one to snack on between now and then if we want to. And then we also, we're not a huge fan of it, but I had forgotten until Aldi's was the last store of the day, 2 bottles of ranch dressing. We also have 1 100% tomato juice to make chili with this weekend. We have 1 calcium and vitamin D orange juice for those of us who do not like the churro orange juice for breakfast, and ta-da, high pulp for those of us who do. We also have 3 individual containers of sour cream for meals coming up this week. We also have 1 container of this mocha fudge almond milk ice cream. This is for my lactose intolerant one. We also have 1 box of the wild caught crunchy fish fillets to make fish tacos this weekend. We tried it before, we liked it okay, so we're going to do it again. We also bought a sweet potato casserole for an easy side for the day after Thanksgiving to go with leftovers. And that is it for Aldi's for today. From Walmart, last year we picked up this bag. We really liked it because it's chocolate, but it has mint in it. So it has the Kit Kat Duos that have the peppermint and dark chocolate. These are so good. They became my favorite candy last year. They also have the Hershey's Peppermint Bark Bells. They're okay. They're like kind of a classic nostalgic thing for me. I really like the Hershey's Candy Cane Kisses that they've had the past couple years. York Peppermint Patties are always a huge hit in our house. And I think, is that it? That is it for this bag. But it's specifically called the Hershey's Mint Holiday Assortment. I have not seen it at Sam's yet, but they did have it at Walmart. So I went ahead and picked up 1 bag to go on our drink station immediately after Thanksgiving. Also at Walmart was the elusive Pokemon holiday calendar. I have had such a hard time finding these. They were supposed to have them at Aldi's. They didn't. I didn't even see where these were supposed to be. Somebody set this down at Walmart and walked off. Like, we didn't see them do it. It was just sitting on a random spot, on a random shelf, no other calendars anywhere around. And it was cheaper than Aldi's was going to be and $15 cheaper than Amazon is. So we went ahead and picked it up, and we're going to re-gift the extra calendar that we have from Aldi's. 2 packets of chili seasoning and 4 of these Mios. We have Tropical Fusion, Black Cherry, Acai Berry Storm, and Strawberry Pineapple Smash. 1 2-liter of Coke Zero, 1 2-liter of A&W Zero Sugar. Last from Walmart is the Chobani Oat Milk. They still had the $1.50 off on Ibotta. If you haven't tried Ibotta out, if you do 16 unique items before Thanksgiving, you can get you get $14 off rebate for a Thanksgiving turkey. So the code will be on the screen right here. Check it out. But yeah, $1.50 off of this oat milk is a really, really good deal, and it's the best quality oat milk we've ever purchased.